Hello everyone, my name is Durga Prasad Yadav. I'm the Senior Research Engineer in Techtron Technologies. Now I'm giving you a short demo on wireless robotics. First of all, I would like to tell you one thing. Whenever we are coming to your college where you school for delivering 2 days training program on wireless robotics, so we are having 4 sessions for that in 2 days. In first session, we are going through the theoretical parts of wireless robot, and in second session, we are moving for the assembly parts of your kits. And in third session, we are moving for the practical. In practical, we are having 3 types of practical in wireless robot. In first practical, like we are having wireless robotics, where you are having your remote, by that you can operate your robot. And in second practical, that is called line follower robot, in which we are having white line follower robot and black line follower robot. In white line follower robot, your robot will follow white line, and in black line follower robot, your robot will follow black line. And third practical, we are having sound operated robot, in which whenever you are going to clap, your robot is going to start to run. Now I am telling you one thing. Whenever you are getting the name robot and what is wireless robot or what type of robot right now in market or in technical field. So first thing is robot. Robot, or you can say that it's a humanoid robot or industrial robot or any kind of robot. So now, whenever you are listening the name robot, so what's coming in your mind? Something like human being. The structure is totally based on human being. Now you can see that what exactly we are having robotic kit here. First of all, I would like to tell you here, this is the board where we are having resistor, capacitor, diode and all the assembly parts of your kits, and there we are having a remote. So by that remote, you are going to operate your robot. Here you can have your own practical in this kits also. Now we are coming on the robot point. Robot is a machine, or you can say that a structure by that you can give your work and it can perform very well. Now, whenever you are listening the name robot, so what's coming in your mind? Let me know that what's coming in your mind. First thing is that whenever you are listening the name robot, that time something comes like a human being. The structure of robot is coming like human being. It means that what do you want? What do you want exactly from robot? You want to make a slave for that. So we are having a structure for that. You can look here. You can see here like this. This is the Ashimo robot. Ashimo robot is made by Japan. The name of Ashimo is Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. It is well manufactured by Honda company, can perform all type of works. And we are also having some of another humanoid robot. You can see here we are having second humanoid robot here, third humanoid robot. And now I am coming on the definition of robot. Now, what is robot? What is robot? Let me tell you what exactly the meaning of robot. Robot is programmable or non-programmable device or machine that is made by computer in combination of computer, electronics and mechanical engineering. Whatever the parts you are using in mechanical, electronics, due to combination of all the parts, you are going to make a machine, and after that you are giving input and it will perform the work. So it's also having their own mind, like you can say that it's artificial intelligence, where you can say that I'm giving a mind to my robot and it will perform the work. So this is only the robot. This is the definition of robot. Now come on, what exactly the mean of robot, what type of robot we are coming in robotics industry. Now first robot is your Asimo. Asimo is very advanced robot and it's using a lot of degree of freedom. Degree of freedom means in which axis we are moving, in which axis our motion is moving, that is considered as degree of freedom only. Now you can see this is the Ashimo robot who is having leg, head, everything. And next one is we are having another robot like Big Dog. Big Dog is very stable robot, or you can say that for the For the dynamic motion, we are only using big dog robot. It can move anywhere, in jungle, in forest, anywhere you can move it. In height, in depth, it can move easily. Now we are coming for the next one. This is called Rex robot. Rex is also work like big dog. It's having 6 legs, and after that, due to 6 legs, its mobility is going to be easy and it can perform well work here. Now the next thing is that I'm coming on the 3 law of robotics. What exactly law is saying to you whenever you are going to make a robot, as well as you have seen a lot of pictures, a lot of movie like Robot, I Terminator, like this movie you have seen. So in this movie, what exactly going on in that movie? They are not following the law of robot, but whenever you are going to make a robot, in that robot, your robot should follow the law. Your first law of robot is a robot may not harm a human being or it can't injure anyone. So the first thing is that whenever you are going to make a robot, in that one, that robot is not going to harm anyone. This is your first law of robot. Now we are coming for the second law of robot. Look, whenever you are giving any kind of input, whenever you are giving any kind of order to your robot, so it should follow that order. And it's kind of second law of your robotic, or it's the second law of robot. It means that whatever inputs you are giving to your robot, it must be follow that only. And now we are coming for the third law of robot. In robot, the third law of robot, a robot can exist or it can protect their own self. In any action or inaction, it can protect own self. It means that whenever you are going to make robot, it will be protected by their own mind, it will be protected by their own. Yes. Now I would like to tell you what exactly difference between robot and machine. Look, in machine, we are not having any kind of mind, but in robot, we are having an artificial intelligence mind. In machine, you are giving input, it's performing the work. But in robot, whenever you are giving input, it will think, it will decide, and after that, it will do. Now, you have to know what exactly you want to do with your robot, or what do you want from your robot. Robot should follow your instruction by hearing you first, and then by following your instruction. But how? So for that, what should be here? For a human being, we are having an ear for hearing. For a human being, we are having leg for moving. For a human being, we are having our own mind. But in case of robot, just look at here. For hearing, we are using a sensor. In robot, we are using a sensor for hearing, that is called sound sensor. By that, it will get input, and after that, it will perform the work. For locomotion or for the motion, we are having leg. Human being is having leg for locomotion, but in robot, we are having some kind of motors like servo motors, stepper motors, and different type of motors, wheel, and due to of that, our robot is going to perform the work. And for human being, as we are having eyes to see, but in case of robot, we are having sensor, we are having camera to see what exactly you want to do with your robot. Now I would like to tell you how we are going to connect, how we are going to create an artificial mind or a brain of robot. It means that you have to give some kind of program to your microcontroller, and in that microcontroller you have to give instruction what exactly you want from your robot. It means that whenever you have to lift your leg, you have to give the instruction like that, and that is considered, that is known as chips. That microcontroller is known as chips, that is integrated chips, in which we are having a lot of pins. By that pins we are giving inputs and we are getting outputs. Now I would like to tell you some basics of electronics. Means whenever you are coming through basics of electronics or robot. So first of all, you have to know about basics of electronics. What type of basics we are using here? Like resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, LED, and all the things we are using in robotics. thing is that your resistor. What exactly the mean of resistor? Why we are using resistor inside robot and other things? Resistor which is going to resist the flow of current means when you need some amount of. Now we are coming on robotics application. We are having a lot of application in every field. Now I would like to tell you one by one. In industrial field, we are having a lot of application in manufacturing. Look at here, whenever you have to manufacture the chassis of automobile, you are also using robotics machine. By that machine, you are manufacturing a number of chassis within a minute, within hours. You are going to make. So it's having a lot of application like in medical field. Look at in medical field, whenever you have to see anything, whenever you have to make operation and all the things. So there is also use of robotics. And now we are coming on one another application, that is home building. Whenever you have to build your house, in that one we are also using a lot of application of robot there. Now we are coming on the practical. Now in case of robot, we are having a lot of parts like resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, motors, like this. Whenever you are going to assemble all the parts, then you will get a complete board and remote of your robot. Now look at your board and remote. We have assembled all the parts like resistor, capacitor, diode and all the things. Now we are coming on practical. For wireless robot, we are having three type of practical. First one is your remote control robot, and second one is your line follower robot, and third one is your sound operated robot. In remote control robot, we are going to operate our robot in forward direction, backward direction, left and right. And in case of your line follower robot, we are having two type of line follower, black line follower and white line follower. Look at here, we are having black line follower and white line follower. And in case of sound operated robot, we are using a sound sensor in which we are going to clap, and after that our robot will start to run. And we are having one more practical. Whenever you are going to start clapping, so your robot will start to run. Whenever you are going to stop the clapping, your robot will stop. So we are covering three more practical in practical session. Now I am showing you the first practical of wireless robot, that is remote control robot. And whenever you are going to press your two buttons, so it will move forward. Look, it's moving forward. Whenever you are going to press another two buttons, so it will move backward. And whenever you are going to press right button, so it will take right turn. Whenever you are going to press left button, so it will take left turn. Now I am showing you the second practical of wireless robot. This is a black line follower where we are using two IR sensor. Due to that IR sensor, it will follow only the black line. Now I'm going to on the robot. So it have followed black line. Now I'm going to have another practical, that is white line follower.